Let's talk about the book Eyewitness to the Civil War, the complete history from secession to Reconstruction. At once an informed overview for general interest readers and a superb resource for serious buffs, this extraordinary, gloriously illustrated volume is sure to become one of the fundamental books in any Civil War library. Its features include a dramatic narrative packed with eyewitness accounts and hundreds of rare photographs, artifacts, and period illustrations. Evocative sidebars, detailed maps, and timelines add to the reference-ready quality of the text. From John Brown's Raid to Reconstruction, Eyewitness to the Civil War presents a clear, comprehensive discussion that addresses every military, political, and social aspect of this crucial period. In-depth descriptions of campaigns and battles in all theaters of war are accompanied by a thorough evaluation of the non-military elements of the struggle between North and South. In their own words, commanders and common soldiers in both armies tell of life on the battlefield and behind the lines, while letters from wives, mothers, and sisters provide a portrait of the home front. More than 375 historical photographs, portraits, and artifacts, many never before published, evoke the era's flavor, and detailed maps of terrain and troop movements make it easy to follow the strategies and tactics of Union and Confederate generals as they fought through 4 harsh years of war. Photo essays on topics ranging from the everyday lives of soldiers to the dramatic escapades of the cavalry lend a breathtaking "you are there" feeling, and an inclusive appendix adds even more detail to what is already a magnificently meticulous history. Eyewitness to the Civil War, the complete history from secession to Reconstruction.
Eyewitness to World War II, unforgettable stories and photographs from history's greatest conflict. The unforgettable story of World War II is told through the words of those who lived it, America's greatest generation, both on the battlefield and the home front. Personal writings create a dramatic tapestry of wartime experience, and recollections of Roosevelt, Hitler, and Patton, as well as letters composed by soldiers at battle and diaries of women serving in the military at home, present an absorbing narrative that tells the entire history of the war from several perspectives. Hundreds of images capture fateful moments of triumph and defeat that defined the era, including rare photographs and artifacts, many never before seen, from private collections that are placed in context with more famous photographs from the period. More than 20 authoritative National Geographic maps detail military movements and decisive battles in the European and Pacific theaters of war. These incredible, first-person stories, amazing moments of heroism, compelling imagery, and illuminating maps bring the entire history of World War II to life in vivid detail. Eyewitness to World War II, edited by National Geographic.